So today I'm going to show you how to remove an inoperative or broken gear selector from a Maserati DuoSelect Quattroporte. You're going to have to remove that screw there with an Allen key to get the unit out. Okay, so once you've removed the cup holder, the whole unit should come out quite easily, and then it's just a question of unplugging the gear selector where it's plugged in just here, so you just need to unplug that. So with the whole unit free, you can take it to your workbench and start to remove the gear selector mechanism. On that, you need to undo these 4 screws here to remove the gear select module from this trim panel. So next you need to remove the cover with the stickers on it, so that you can get at the screws, the 4 screws underneath, 1 in each corner, and you need to undo those to separate the electronic part of the unit from the mechanical part. So here's the underneath of the unit with the old lever removed and the knob on top of the lever removed as well. It just unscrews. There's the old one, and you can see where the plastic was shattered at the side. Obviously you'll need to remove the chrome top because you're going to replace that onto your new Hills Engineering lever. And here's the new lever from Hills Engineering. Before you put everything back together, you're going to need to screw on your original chrome tip to the handle. So with the lever correctly installed, to get it into reverse you have to lift. You can see that it moves into that ratchet there. So then you need to reassemble the unit using the 4 screws. Put the cover with the stickers on it back into place, it just snaps on, and then head back out to the car to fit it. Once you've screwed the unit back onto the trim panel, plugged it in down there and pushed the plug in out of the way, you can replace the trim panel and then replace your cup holder, do the screw up, and it's fixed.